So for our 80s movie inspired sheet ghost, we're going to go ahead and tape down our outline, tuck our graphite paper underneath, and transfer our image. From there, we're going to use violet, yellow ochre, cerulean, and lamp black, and we're going to wash in our base tone. Cover everything, basic tones. Let that guy dry, and then we're just going to go in with some lighter, solid, opaque tones in the ghost and in the hand. From there, we're going to go with our even lighter tones in our lightest areas and just further render the hand. Go in with some of our shadows in violet and black, and then just reinforce all the dark areas. We've let that dry, and now we're going to glaze in this kind of green tone that I think looks very cinematic. Follow up with some of our darks. I've got two lighter greenish blue tones that are going to be the highlights and the folds. I'll build those up. Let it dry again, and we are going to work on the hand right now. Those are some tints of the yellow ochre and the black mixed together. We're going to work on the sunglasses now. That is going to be straight up black and white and the gray we mixed. A few finishing details.